Hi, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Farah. Today we're going to be making a cauliflower cheese bake. Here are the ingredients. For this recipe we need a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cauliflower, some spring onions, some mustard, some cheese, around 200 grams, 4 tablespoons of flour and 1 litre of milk. And finally you need around 50 grams of butter. So the first thing you'll do is you'll dice your cauliflower into a couple of sections. I usually dice it in 4 sections. And then we add it to some hot water, some salty hot water. So I usually boil my water and I usually put 1 teaspoon of salt within this water and just allow it to boil. We're just going to blanch it for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, just take your lid off and just put it in a dish like this. Well done. So the next step is you add your 50 grams of butter. That just melts really quickly. I just go straight in, add my spring onions. There we go. And then I add my black pepper, my salt just for taste. Then I will add 4 tablespoons of plain flour just to give it that thickening agent. Just give it a good stir. And as you can see, you'll actually be able to see once the butter has melted that a thick paste is forming. So once the butter is fully melted, you add your litre of milk. You add that quite slowly. I just add it slowly. Give it a good mix because you don't want the milk to become lumpy. Just give it a good stir before adding the next lot. This is your paste for your cauliflower cheese bake. Just keep giving it a good stir. I usually make it on a slow heat. Keep stirring, and eventually you can see that paste is becoming thicker and thicker. The next step is to throw some cheese in. I usually just throw in a really small amount because once the bake is complete, you will be putting some also on the top. So I usually put in around 200 grams, not a lot. And then you just keep stirring and stirring because this is going to be your thickening cream, which is going to be really nice once it's mixed into the cauliflower. There you go, you can see it there, thickening out. It's like a thick paste, which when it's mixed in with the cauliflower, it's absolutely amazing. Thing that I usually do is just add a teaspoon of mustard just to give it that extra flavour. I usually add maybe 1 to 2 just to give it that really nice flavour. There you go. You can see the really nice colours coming out. The next thing you do is you just add your cauliflower to a bowl of this size. And just scoop that in really quickly. There you go. And following on from that, I just add the contents of my pan straight over like that. There you go. Looks absolutely amazing. This will be absolutely delicious once it's cooked. So the final step is to just add a small amount of cheese. I don't usually put that much in because what we need to remember is we added some at the beginning, so I just put a generous amount over, and then once that's done, we just get that ready to put that in the oven. So you preheat the oven. I usually put the oven on around 180 degrees. I usually leave that on for about 20 minutes, and then once that's warmed up, I usually just add it to put this in the oven for approximately 1 hour. So there we have it. There is the finished item, our cauliflower cheese bake. It's a really easy and delicious recipe. Please try it at home and let me know how you got on in the comment section below. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.